have a marine vessel that is on our coastal waters that is involved with the oil and gas industry. And on that vessel, there was a sick patient who we are able to evacuate from the ship. The crew comprises of 51 crew members. We evacuated the sick individual, we tested him, and he turned out to be positive and has been admitted to our Yaba facility. Being that he was positive, it was necessary for us to return to the ship and identify the closest contacts to this individual and to test the entire ship. So we ran tests on the remaining 50, and out of the 50 we were able to identify 6 positives. The 6 positives remain on the vessel in an isolated environment, and this morning we will be trying to define how we're going to manage that scenario. So there are multiple options available to us, and I will be in conversation with Mr. Governor and other members of Cabinet to define how we will manage that situation. So apart from the 6 that were on board, so that gives us a balance of 5 that were diagnosed in the state. So if we subtract 6 from the 11, we have 5. So there were 5 new patients in Lagos yesterday. Another scenario that is occurring at the moment is, as we expected when we closed our air borders, we would experience an attempt of Nigerians to return home through our land borders. So there would be a case where Nigerians would fly to neighboring countries and try and drive into Nigeria through our land borders. As we speak, we have a situation at the Seme border where we have 16 students who are trying to return back to Nigeria. The details of where they went and what they were doing outside of Nigeria is not clear to us at the moment. But we have sent a dispatch to the Seme border to go and retrieve the 16 Nigerians, I believe they're students, and bring them to one of our facilities, probably at Yaba, once I get more information, where they'll be screened and evaluated as to what their risk is, and then we will define whether they need to be tested, and if they're tested, then we will determine, based on the test, what we're going to do henceforth. But that's just to give you an impression of what may be happening at the border. We don't have much detail, but it's under control. We've been in discussion with Federal. Mr. Governor has ordered the dispatch of the team to the border to meet with our immigration colleagues, and the